What's up, guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to change your resolution and aspect ratio in Premiere Pro. While working on your Premiere project, head to Sequence and select Sequence Settings. In the General section, you can see this frame size option. Simply adjust the horizontal and vertical frame size to your liking. When changing the aspect ratio from 16:9 to 3:4, for example, then make sure to keep this Scale Motion Effects proportionally when changing frame size option checked. When clicking on OK, the resolution and aspect ratio of your project will be changed. Your main subject might not be centered, and you will likely be required to adjust the position of your video clip. You can prevent this from happening if you choose to reframe your sequence. To do so, make sure to select your clip in your timeline and head back to Sequence and select Auto Reframe Sequence. Change the target aspect ratio to your preferred aspect ratio if it's showing up in this list, and leave the motion tracking option to default for now. You can always change it to slower motion or faster motion to see how it affects the tracking of your main subject. Apply your changes and you should be done. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.